अखिल भारतीय वनवासी कल्याण आश्रम resolution passed in Kendriya Karyakari Mandal meeting held on 5th October 2023 in Bhagyanagar, Hyderabad. Resolution number 8. Hearty congratulations to the government of Bharat for successfully organizing G20 summit. The G20 leader level summit was held in New Delhi on September 9-10, 2023. The G20 leaders' declaration passed at the summit is historic despite differences on many issues of the emerging global geopolitics. A common consensus emerged among global leaders due to Bharat's successful leadership at the G20 forum. This has brought global acceptance and recognition of Bharat's diplomacy and its leadership. Bharat's G20 presidency and the very successful organization of the leader-level summit in New Delhi got the whole country a respectable position in the Committee of Nations. Its most notable and positive aspect is that the government of Bharat has made it a colorful national festival with wide public participation instead of limiting the event a mere governmental function as usual. The event covered more than 200 meetings with 112 outcome documents in 60 cities across 28 states of Bharat. The New Delhi summit witnessed participation of 25,000 delegates and 1.25 lakh global representatives from across the world. Bharat's ancient motto, Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, has become more relevant even in today's context. One Earth, One Family, One Future was the central theme of the entire discussion. The public participation of more than 1.5 crore citizens of Bharat in this event was unprecedented in the history of G20. The G20 summit held in Bharat provided a platform to thousands of civil society activists, NGOs, business groups, self-help groups, youth, women, artisans, environmentalists, and people from almost every section of the society. One of the most remarkable things of this G20 summit is Bharat sponsored the proposal of International Year of Millets 2023, which was accepted by the United Nations General Assembly. This highly nutritious and healthy crop has gained significant popularity because of its positive environmental impact as well. We got the opportunity to present Bharatiya knowledge systems to the global community through G20. This event made the entire world aware of the country's rich cultural heritage and its soft power, that is dignity, dialogue, shared prosperity, regional and global security, as well as cultural and civilizational links. The event focused on keeping people-centric solutions at the forefront of efforts to solve global problems. As the country's largest organization working for the all-round development of Janjati society, Vanvasi Kalyan Ashram also participated in various global events related to G20, and it expressed its views on various aspects of the cultural identity, existence, development of the Janjati society. We extend our heartiest congratulations and best wishes to the government of Bharat, our popular Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji, and all those involved in organizing this historic and successful event. We hope that the progress and achievements on the sidelines of these developments will steadily lead us to the desired goal of developed Bharat as envisaged in Panchapran. Developed Bharat, freedom from colonial mindset, pride on our rich heritage, unity and oneness, as well as civic sense of the Amrit Kal.